Salwar Ladies video. In this video, I am introducing the unstitched salwar suits collections. 999 range. So first, we have a lavender shade. This is the dupatta. Soft silk. Complete thread work. Ready for dispatch. This is complete front view. Neckline thread work. Bottom same color. This is the full work. Now next shade. Next is a dusty peach color tone. This is the top lower. This is the thread work in the clothes. Next is a greenish shade. Elegant and beautiful colors. Ready for shipping. Website through or WhatsApp or Instagram where you purchase. 999 price. Complete view. Bottom of the same color available. Next is a mustard kind of a rusty shade. This is dupatta. Bottom same color. Our stores were Cochin and Chennai. Cochin Pala and Chennai. Stores visit and online by purchase. Thank you.